Hey folks, Patrick here with NMD Box Breaks, coming to you with a 16-17 Series 1 Upper Deck hockey box I got at my local store. So we're going to break this open and see what we get. Nice little review. We get 6 Young Guns. Let's hopefully pull like an Austin Matthews. Let's skip the breaking it open. Once again, you probably go to my Facebook page. Just click in NMD Box Breaks. It'll take you there. I just started it. I'm going to have some more recorded videos after I break open some product. Eventually I'm going to start doing this as I get going on my own page. If anybody wants to break open some cases with me, you're more than welcome. So, you know, packs out. '16, '17, 2016, '17 Upper Deck Series 1. Hopefully we can pull an Austin Matthews. Alright, there we go. I love the designs of this year. This is pretty good. We got a young gun right away, Brayden Point of the Tampa Bay Lightning. I'll put my cards in here, the ones that are good. Oh, base over here, base. Okay. We got a goalie nightmare, Kyle Palmieri of the New Jersey Devils. These are all regular base. So NMD Box Breaks is going to be coming to you live. I'll probably do Breakers TV, upload everything to YouTube. Here we go here. We got a, I can't even say it, a rising star, Braden Holtby for the Washington Capitals. Not bad. So if you go to my channel, NMD Box Breaks on Facebook, you can subscribe, like it. We got a portrait, Dylan Larkin for the Detroit Red Wings. I'll have a store right behind that page. It'll say shop now. There's nothing in the shop right now. I will start uploading it, and everything's going to be PayPal. So, you know, you can buy through PayPal if you're verified. I can ship to most countries. Young Gun, Justin Bailey of the Buffalo Sabres. I'll be doing a lot of stuff. It won't be just hockey. It'll be, you know, baseball, football. I don't think of basketball. Baseball, football, and hockey. But mostly hockey. Buying cases. Alright, so we got a canvas. Drew Doughty of the LA Kings. So we got 2 Young Guns so far. 4 more to go out of this, I hope. Maybe even a canvas one. We got a blue Braden Holtby. Shining Star, sorry. Blue Braden Holtby. Base. Next pack. We got a Game Gear. We got an upper deck game jersey, Jakob Silfverberg of the Anaheim Ducks. Pretty nice little jersey card. Since they only come in one a box, I think it's a pretty tough set to collect, you know. But the design is good. I like it the way they had it this year. We got a Young Gun, Noel Acciari of the Boston Bruins. Three more to go. We got a canvas, Nikita Kucherov of the Tampa Bay Lightning. And the next pack, we got a shining star, Ryan Getzlaf of the Anaheim Ducks. So 3 young guns so far. Hopefully give it some canvas, Anders Lee of the New York Islanders. Second half of the box here. We got a super colossal Dalton Prout of the Columbus Blue Jackets. Nice little insert. Dalton Prout. Series 2 with Patrick Lyon. That's a good card. And I got some boxes on the way for that. We got Robbie Fabry of the St. Louis Blues Upper Deck Portraits. I like the ones that are numbered. You get the ones that are numbered. That's a tough set to collect too. So we got still 3 more Upper Deck Young Guns hopefully in this. We got a Jesse Puljujarvi Young Gun for the Edmonton Oilers. Nice. We got a canvas, Shane Gostisbehere for the Philadelphia Flyers. Pretty funny one, yeah. Jamie Benn. We got a shining star, Zach Parise of the Minnesota Wild. Goalie Nightmare, Calgary Flame, Johnny Gaudreau. Young Guns, there you go. Sebastian Aho, the Carolina Canes, out of nowhere, 22 goals already. Up and coming player. He's going to be really good for a long time. As long as these guys don't get injured, all these young kids, it's going to be fun to watch. McDavid, Lyon, if Larkin can turn around his career, he's not had a bad second year. We got a portrait, rookie, Pavel Zacha for the New Jersey Devils. And the packs still got, I think, one more young gun. Goalie Nightmare, Claude Giroux for the Flyers. Canvas, Ryan Johansson for the Nashville Preds. Two packs to go. one more young gun, I think. And we got a Pavel Zacha for the New Jersey Devils. So you can check out again, facebook.com, go to NMD Box Breaks, and the store, I'll put some cards up. Super Colossal, Zdeno, Chara. And as long as you're verified with PayPal, with a good address, I'll send you the cards no matter where you are. And that's it. That's my review. It's a good product. I mean, even the base cards are nice. But if you want to, we'll just go over this really quick again. Really quick. Super Colossal, Zdeno Chara, Young Gun, Pavel Zacha, Canvas, Johansson, Giroux Nightmares, Pavel Zacha Rookie Portrait, Sebastian Aho Rookie Young Gun, Johnny Gaudreau Nightmare, Zach Parise Shining Star, Canvas Gostosphere for Flyers, Pugliavi Young Gun, Robbie Fabry Portrait, Super Colossal again, Dalton Prout for the Blue Jackets, Canvas Anders Lee for the Islanders, Shining Star Ryan Getzlaff, Nikita Kucherov, Upper Deck Portraits, Young Gun Noel Asiari for the Bruins. We got a jersey, Silverberg for the Ducks. We got a blue Shining Star, Braden Holtby. Canvas Doughty for LA. Justin Bailey for the Sabres, Young Gun. Dylan Larkin, Portrait. Braden Holtby, Shining Star. Palmieri for the Devils. And Braden Point, Young Guns for the Tampa Bay Lightning. All right, NMD Box Breaks. I'm out.